again with what's up, y'all. Anyway, today we're on another trip. You know, I showed you that stuff that I put together in the shop. I'm not finished with it all, but what I have finished, taking it down to my booth. I want to kind of clean out the shop some and then have room for the other stuff that I complete. Then we're going down to a itsy bitsy city. We're looking for, they have a place where we're going that has like a nursery, and we're going there to see if we can find some, what is it, crepe myrtles, honey? Is that what you said?
Huge nurseries.
Yeah, it's a huge nursery. We're going to look for some crepe myrtles. We really like those trees, bushes, whatever you call them. I think there's bushes and trees, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, we like the color and just the tree itself. Every year we had them in our yard back in Booger City. But anyway, we're headed there to the booth, and
we got to find some fast growing trees. We can't take no trees that's going to take 20 years to get 5 foot tall.
I know, look how old we are.
Or, you know, 30 years. Oh, they'll be a good wind break in about 20 years. Well, guess where I'm going to be in 20 years, more than likely.
No,
so,
we ain't gonna say
I ain't planting them trees for somebody else. I got to have a fast growing tree.
Are crepe myrtles, are they fast?
They're pretty fast.
Okay, you said they're pretty fast. But anyway.
And of course, surely you noticed that we're in the truck today. Yeah, in the truck. Sheila finally got it emptied yesterday, so now we can all that mulch is gone, it's spread. Got it done yesterday, and we're out for another load.
No, we're not. Oh yeah. So then we're going to go down to Itsy Bitsy City, and we're going to look for the crepe myrtles, and I don't know what else we might find. We might find something else. Period.
Broccoli.
Who?
Broccoli.
Broccoli? I don't know what all. But anyway, we're approaching the building that has my booth in it. Baby. Right here it is.
Sure.
He was going on and passing it.
I was, you know where I was going.
He wasn't paying no mind. He wasn't paying no attention. He was just speeding right along. I was like, baby. Anyway, so we're going to go in there and let me get my stuff placed. I was trying to take the camera in with me, so my booth's been looking bare, but I just don't have all the time to be doing all the DIYs, and you know, I've just got other projects and stuff going on and other things. I ain't got no mulch. So, well, we're here, and then I'll take you in, I think I will, and just show you. I hope, you know what, maybe it's a good thing it's kind of empty. That means people are buying it. Anyway, so let me go in here, and I'll take you with me, okay? All right. Okay, guys, here it is. There is that. Now, some things I probably need to take home, but I'm just going to let it last for a little while longer. Mother's Day's coming up, and maybe they like, you know, some of that stuff with little hearts and stuff on it. And then I have that up there. And so you recognize some of the things that and I got bunnies and stuff in here. I think my bunnies are cute, don't you guys? And then I got little carrots. Look, isn't that cute? Okay. These are some of the risers that I brought. But anyhow, I have some more things at home to work on. And so, let me back up. I still haven't made my sign. I've got my sign that I'm going to put up, Sheila's Touch of Beauty. Okay, well, we're off to that little wee city now. Go look for some crepe myrtles. See you in a minute. Okay, here we are at one of the little places where they sell plants. Of course, we can't really buy any of these. I mean, if we had a place to put them, it's too early for us. I mean, I've got out squash, crookneck squash, tomatoes. Here's got single plants, $1.29. The flat, $17.95. These are tomatoes. And then we have some flowers. I'm not sure what Mister's looking for. Of course, it's raining, guys. Is that what you're wanting, the broccoli?
Yeah. This is all broccoli.
Okay, flat $15.95, $2.95 a tray. And got lettuce up there as well.
Brussels sprouts, your favorite.
Well, I'd be willing to try them as long as it's been a long time ago. I mean, I might like it now. I don't know.
That's cabbage.
Ooh, let's get some cabbage.
Couldn't find that for nothing last year.
Why don't we get a few little cabbages? $2.29 each and 15
A flat.
flat.
$2.29, $2.30,
Oh,
$4.60. So
okay. All right.
Cauliflower.
Okay, guys, we're in the store now, and we've ate up all of our honey, so I'm probably going to get another thing of honey. Not sure what kind to get. I kind of like this is the raw honey. And that's $11.95. The other's $6.95. Got pure honey, then they've got pure honey clover down there. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Some potatoes, onions. Man, guys, I love onions. I could eat an onion sandwich. I'm not kidding. I love onions. Of course, my stomach says otherwise, but pintos, $12.95 for a bag. I've put back a lot of pintos. We've got some sweet potatoes, white sweet potatoes. I've never had white sweet potatoes. Have you guys? I've had the red ones. So, some cabbage. 49 cents a pound. I'd like to get some cabbage so I can make some slaw. Now I wonder what Mister got. Hey, they've got some seed potatoes, babe. Red Pontiac seed potatoes. Oh, 79 cents a pound.
That time of year.
Hey, they've got some seed potatoes.
That's one thing about up here. The sun could be shining. Boy, that wind would cut right through.
Hey, Mister, they got some seed potatoes.
Yeah, how much?
Yukon, 79 cents a pound. Then they've got the red Pontiac seed potatoes.
That's what
right
we
here.
planted that before.
Yeah. Look at that. That's a good little bunch right there. When do you want to get our potatoes?
We're going to plant them. We need to do it now.
That's what I'm saying. You want to get some of those?
Seeing white.
Huh?
I was thinking get something different. The Pontiacs didn't do too well for us.
Well, we didn't do them right, and you're not supposed to get them until like the leaves turn. So we did way ahead of time. But anyway, guys, what?
I do the Yukon Golds. What I do, I like that.
I like red potatoes too.
We'll get half and half.
Okay. Oh, let me look at these onions over here. Ooh, $1.99 a bunch. Guess who's gonna get some? Me. I got us some onions.
That's some super grown onions right there.
That's good. Look at this, guys. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh. Well, how am I going to put... Oh, I'm going to put them in here. Like that.
How much are they?
I forgot what they are. They are $1.99 a bunch.
79 cents.
Oh, you're talking about the potatoes. I thought you were talking about the onions. I'm gonna go in the store, babe. See what they got in there. Man, I'm hungry too. This is not the place to be when you're hungry. Look, they got some seeds here. Yep. $6.99 for this bag. Let's go in. Let's see what they got. Oh, look at here. Doesn't this look yummy? Got imitation pineapple. Wonder how much that stuff is. Let's see. That is $2.99. Natural banana, peppermint. Look at that. Imitation clear butter flavor. Wow. Butter and nut. Got vanilla, walnut, coconut. Boy, if I knew what sometimes I need one of those, but I can't remember what it is. I'd get me some. But I'm not going to get something I don't even need it. Red raspberry. Doesn't this look yummy? There's some apricot jam. I love apricots. Peoples. Pineapple. Look at all the beans. Oh my God, them beans. What are them beans? It looks like lentils. Mister hates lentils. I love llamas. Look at these. I wonder how much that is. I don't know. Oh, it says all beans $2.99 a pound. They got some llamas over here, baby.
You want spring onions about half this size?
No, I want them.
This bigger?
I want those. Man, check this out. Pork. No, I don't eat pork, guys. This one's $26.21. Of course, they've got some smaller ones. I used to, and like pick some pinto beans and put some hog jaw or whatever, and some pork in it, country ham bits. Look at that. And see, now I like the taste of it, but I just don't. Now over here, they've got the pickled okra. That's hot. But Mr. loves my pickled okra. Here's some up here. And they got some asparagus. I wonder what pickled Brussels sprouts taste like. I don't know. I am hungry. I've got to get something to eat because everything's looking good. Oh, no, that's flour. Grits. I've been having a hard time finding some cornmeal. All this is flour. I wonder if they got it on another side. I don't know what's happening to the, here's plain cornmeal. I want some self-rising. Cherokee plain cornmeal. Flour. Here's some cornmeal mix. Self-rising. That's what I need right there. I'm going to get some of this. Hey, babe. I'm going to get this because I've been having a dickens of a time finding cornmeal. And this is self-rising cornmeal. So, okay. Oh, y'all looking at this other stuff as I'm talking to Mister. This is clean, pure, and wholesome stone ground buckwheat flour. I don't want flour. Okay. Let's go over here. Mister's over there doing something. He's looking at hats and... Oh, I bet you... Hey, Mister. Here's some peppered gravy mix. Get a peppered gravy mix.
Yeah, I'll get that Food City for 99.
Oh, this is $1.59. Well, I'm getting this cornmeal because that's grits. I can't find it. I mean, Walmart didn't have it. Those other stores didn't have it. Yeah, look at them candies. Now, you know I don't need to go down that aisle. Don't you remember when you were a kid? Man, y'all remember this? That bit of honey. Yummy. Can y'all see that? Is it focusing? Gosh, and bubble gum. Man, and the Mary Janes. Y'all remember the Mary Janes? Oh, y'all. Am I telling my age or what? I don't know what Mister's doing over there. He's looking at something. Look at all this. Cherry, apple. Are y'all enjoying this? I don't want to bore you. Hey, here you go. Here's some pickled eggs. Right there. There's mustard eggs. I bet that's good. Beet eggs. Get out of here. Jalapeno eggs. Can't do that. It's too hot. There's the okra. That okra is $7.99. Yep. We gotta plant some okra so I can pickle some okra. I bet he's getting candy. Look, 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 look. What you getting, Mister?
Little candy.
Uh-huh. That's what I thought was that. I can't read it.
Sugar-free.
Oh, sugar-free. Okay.
And I got you.
Look at all this. What is that? The coconut? Oh, boy. Yummy. What's this? Dried apples. They got the bananas over there.
Oh yeah, I was looking for the corn.
Oh, I saw something somewhere, but I can't remember.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
How are you?
3/4 of a pound.
I can go.
What is it, sugar-free?
Yeah.
$8.
I can go another quarter pound.
Get as much as you like.
Well, guess what, folks? I should have filmed it, but I was just kind of all...
Shook up.
Yeah, shook up. That's the word. We went to the store. You remember I showed you around everything, right? Okay. So we come out. Mister's patting his pockets. And in his back pockets, front pockets, and he's just kind of giving me that look like a deer caught in headlights. And I go, what? He goes, my keys. Well, I was on my side of the truck, and I looked in, and they were in the ignition. See, here's the other thing. Normally, I take my pocketbook in wherever I go. So just happened today, I said, I just didn't want to be lugging it around. And, you know, we're just going to kind of go in and come out. And I said, well, and Sammy was in here. And I said, well, I'm just going to leave my pocketbook in the truck. You're going to make sure we lock it up. So we locked it up, left my pocketbook. So I had a set of keys, but guess what? I couldn't get to them. So we went back in, and this old man works there. Nice. He had a little bag of goodies near where he was sitting. He said, you wouldn't believe, like last year, he said about 20 people parked out here, locked their keys in the car. So he's got this little bag of these little different wires and a shim, I think it was. So anyway, he worked on the passenger side, the driver's side. I came around here and kind of piddled with the passenger side. Mister had gotten the back right here of this window and tried to, get that open. And we just couldn't do it. So finally...
And you know what Sammy was doing? He was laying back there looking at us. He was laughing. I said, I bet you won't be laughing when it's time to pee.
He's laying down right back there. See if I can get him right there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Didn't even make a attempt.
Well, we're still going to go look at the trees, but Mr. said, are you hungry? I said, I sure am. So we tried this place last year, and it was terrible.
It wasn't terrible.
It was terrible. Mine was terrible. And it's Libby Hills. Now, I always used to love Libby Hills seafood, and I haven't had seafood since the last time Mr. Cooked some salmon out on the grill. So we thought, well, we'll just give it a try again. So, because I just have a taste for fish. So, anyway, that ain't it, baby.
It's not it.
That's Little Richard's. I thought we was going to Libby Hills.
Oh, I thought we were going to all shook up.
What?
Never mind. No, I just wanted to see what this was, though.
I got something in my tooth.
Can't
Probably
see.
some much chocolate. Well, anyway. So, what's that down there?
Oh, let's go see.
It might be down here. We don't really know where it is.
I know it's back there, but I don't know what's down here.
So, I know it's in a shopping center.
Yeah, it's back there.
I didn't see that yet. Well, anyway, so we're going to go try to find a seafood place and get us some grub, and then we're going to go back the opposite direction and look for trees. Okay, well, let me help him look, and I'll be back with you. Well, we're here. Mister's already kind of gone over the parking lot, I guess, checking out those trees first. Is that them?
Cherry tree.
Oh, there's a cherry tree, you said.
What our cherry tree looks like.
Do we have a cherry tree? I didn't know we had a cherry tree. I didn't know we had a cherry tree, peoples. I'd like to get a tulip tree.
Yeah.
Well, they got trees down there as well. But anyway, this is where we're at. Gonna see. Huh?
See how big it is?
Uh-huh. Tons of trees here. We got some on the other side as well. I think they need to be closer. Oh, there's a weeping willow. I love weeping willows. I'd like to have a tulip trees, you guys, and then we're looking for the crepe myrtles. Man, that tree right there is $79 right there. Whew! Can't imagine the trees that we're trying to look for. There's some
over here.
some somewhere. There's magnolia. There's some back there.
Some trees.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Trees or not.
Don't look like. Apple tree.
Uh-huh. I'm watching this water. I'm stepping in these puddles. Oh, those are bushes though, aren't they? Are they dead?
Great movie.
Is it dead?
I don't know.
Well, you clip a... They always told me to clip a thing, and if it's green... I'm sorry, guys. Let's see, it's green in there.
Yeah.
How much are those? Let's see. I think they're right here. Let's see what it says. Yeah, crepe myrtles, 26... Well, $26.99 $27. Baby, they're $27. How you know what color they are? All them
Well,
little
the tags,
them little things right there
tags
all
got-
look the same. I ain't seen no tags.
there's
Not
the
on
tags right
these.
there on the,
Well, these do, but I was looking at these. I don't see a tag one. Here's a darker color. We like the darker, like pink color right there.
there's the purple, the light purple.
Yeah. I see the dark red back there, or
Did you?
dark pink. Yeah, dark pink. Yeah, these are light pink. I see light pink over there. It's right up here. Yeah, these are light. There's a one right there, baby. I think right there. Looks like a darker. See it?
Oh yeah. It doesn't say. I mean, that's. I don't know if that's the. These are dark here. What about that one?
Yeah, that's the same color. And then here's the purple right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like the bush. That's pretty. I like that bush.
I like the bush.
Here's a lighter pink here, darker purple or lavender. Bushes are pretty. This right here, look, kind of looks like a lilac bush, don't it?
Oh yeah, they get big. I've had them.
That's pretty. But that's, the lilac color. And you got a darker one right there. I think they're all $26.99.
Well, I'll walk up here and ask them blood red.
Okay guys, I just had to get the camera going again because would you look at these colors? And let me turn back here. This is what we were looking at right there. Isn't that gorgeous? And you look through here and I mean, look, can y'all see the colors? Beautiful. There's those aloe plants that we looked for ever so long. I got a bunch of them down. Look, there's my little flower, y'all. See it right there? These are so pretty. Okay, y'all, that was our adventure for the day. It was quite an adventure too. We enjoyed the ride itself, but us going to that first place where we got the seedling potatoes and the onions and those kind of things, it really wasn't a good time when Mr. started patting his pants and then looking at me like that deer in the headlight, and I was like, what's the matter? Well, he had locked his keys, as you saw. Well, you didn't see it because I didn't film it. I should do things like that, but my cage was rattled because it was raining. I didn't tell that part of it. It was raining, and I was thinking, what am I gonna do? What if we can't get in? They would say, well, you could call the sheriff around here, but he don't really like coming out and undoing the cars. And I think they charge for it. Well, how long is it going to take him to get out? How much is it going to be? My dog is in there. I can't leave my dog. He can't stay in there. What if he's got to pee? What if he's thirsty? What if he's hungry? I cannot leave my dog in there. I would have had to bust out a window. I'm just telling you. But things worked out. And the guy, after, I guess it was about 15, 20 minutes, we finally got the truck open and all was well. Then we decided to go get something to eat and along the way. And we did stop at Libby Hills. This go around, actually, it was pretty decent food. We enjoyed it. It was more than I could eat. And so we just boxed it up and brought it home. And so, what else was there? Something else I wanted to tell you. Oh, the crepe myrtles, we decided to come back another day. They said they were going to get another shipment in. And they just sold the last 2 tulip trees for like $19 a piece. Doggone it. I really want a tulip tree. I might, if they had both of them there at the time, I probably would have bought both of them. But what else was there today? Lord have mercy. It was just like little things here and there. And but all in all, it was a good day except for us locking ourselves out of the truck. So now, I don't think that will happen again. You know what? I ain't leaving my pocketbook in the truck. Of course, that's kind of dangerous. But, you know, Sam, if somebody comes around the truck, he barks. And I was in seeing distance anyway. But I'm not going to do that. I told Mister, I said, I'm making sure I bring my pocketbook. Of all days, guys, of all days, I didn't take it in. I always take my pocketbook with, always. But the one time, learned my lesson. But Mr. said, you know, I think maybe he's done it before, but it's been a long time. So, you know, now he just, I know that he's going to be paying attention whether or not he leaves his keys in the car or not, or the truck. But anyway, we made it back home, and it was a good day. I hope you enjoyed the trip with us and looking at all the goodies that the store had. I didn't get any honey. I think that I'm going to wait to go to that place that we got the water barrels from. He was selling his for $10, and I liked his honey. So we probably will do that, and I'll probably pick up maybe 2 or 3 so I can kind of put my little storage unit, a little bin in there. And because y'all know I've already talked to y'all about that, and I ain't going to go talk to you, but maybe I'll do that on another video. But anyway, I want you to know that I appreciate all those that are viewing the first time. Thanks for sticking with me and this old woman. But I thank you. I hope that you really enjoyed the video today. Thank you again for the comments. Y'all are such a blessing to me. And as I said, hang on. I might not get to it right then, but I will eventually get to the comments. Thank you for those who have been faithful from the very beginning and staying with me and commenting such inspiring comments to me, and just saying that how that Mr. and I make your day. I hope we do. I really hope we do. But anyway, remember that I love you, but Jesus loves you more. And what? Come on, y'all know. Y'all know. You're blessed in the city. You're blessed in the fields. You're blessed when you come, and you're blessed when you go. In Jesus' name. Until the next video, y'all.